So today, welcome to PHONELens. We bring to you the Honor Magic 8 Pro. The Honor Magic 8 Pro, we are here to discuss the clear specs and facts about the phone. Now, the Honor Magic 8 Pro has just been released recently, and we are here to discuss about the design and build, the display, processor and memory, the cameras, battery and charging, the software, the biometrics and extras, the connectivity, the weight, dimensions, colors, even the price and availability, and also the quick verdict for the Honor Magic 8 Pro. Now, when we come to the design and build, the Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with a premium glass and metal frame, a matte frosted back on certain finishes, pronounced circular camera island. The Honor Magic 8 Pro uses a refined industrial design that feels lighter than its size suggests. The reported weight is said to be about 219 grams. What about the display? The display comes with a 6.71-inch LTPO OLED, 1256 times 2808 pixels, a 112Hz refresh rate, extremely high peak brightness in promotional materials. The panel is marketed as HDR capable and tuned for vivid color and high contrast. What about the processor and memory? The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SM8850 AC chipset. It comes with a multiple RAM and storage configurations. It's commonly 12GB or 16GB of RAM with UFS 4.0 storage. The storage options include a 256GB, 512GB, and also a 1TB option in some markets. Then, when we come to the camera, it has triple rear camera system in the phone's configuration. The first is the main 50 megapixel slash sensor with an f/1.6 style aperture for the main camera. Then also 50MP ultrawide camera and 200 megapixels telephoto periscope for high resolution zoom capability and the large telephoto sensor. The front camera comes with around 50 megapixels on some spec sheets. The Honor Magic 8 Pro emphasizes computationally on photography and AI features. About battery and charging. The Chinese launch comes with a 7200 mAh battery on the Honor Magic 8 Pro with up to 120 watts wired fast charging, while in some parts of the Europe, because of regional certification and shipping rules, it can come with 6270 mAh in some markets. However, the endurance in reuse is excellent. What about the software? It comes with Android 16 base and Magic OS 10 from Honor. It offers AI features and dedicated AI assistant button, and also more promises for major OS upgrades. Biometrics and extras. It comes with a 3D face recognition plus and an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, advanced cooling system, and strong focus on AI shortcuts. IP rating is not universally confirmed, so check final retail spec for water and dust resistance. For the connectivity, it comes with a 5G network, Wi-Fi 6/6E, Bluetooth its latest generation. NFC also available where market regulations allow. However, it may vary by region. The weight comes with 219 grams of weight, and multiple colors will be offered. Also frosted glass variants and premium color treatments. Price and availability: the phone was launched in China on October 15, 2025. We'll check from trusted platforms for price and availability. The quick verdict for the mobile device: the Honor Magic 8 Pro, according to our reviews, is a flagship on paper. Its headline features are the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the large 6.71-inch LTPO OLED at 120Hz, a heavy emphasis on a 200 megapixel telephoto system plus dual 50MP sensors, and also a very large battery capacity, and the Magic OS 10 on Android 16. If you found this useful or would want to compare this with a Galaxy S25 Ultra, drop it below in the comments. Like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and share to other viewers. Thank you both for your time.